Hello children. Today we will discuss about maps and directions. All of us know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. East and west are directions. There are two more directions. These are the north and the south. Thus, there are four directions, namely north, south, east and west. The first letters of the four main directions make the word news. Classification of directions. The four main directions, north, south, east and west, are also called cardinal directions. These four main directions are further divided into four intermediate directions. They are 1. Northeast, between the north and the east. 2. Northwest, between the north and the west. 3. Southeast, between the south and the east. 4. Southwest, between the south and the west. We should know. Term cardinal is derived from the Latin word cardinalis, which means essential, principal or chief. Directions. Knowledge of directions is very important for us as it helps us to locate or know the position of a person, place or a thing. Finding out directions. You can find out the directions with the help of the sun. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The direction you face the rising sun is the east. At your back is the west. To your right is the south. To your left is the north. We should know. The pole star or Polaris is always in the north direction. It does not change its position. You can see the sun in the daytime only, but if it is cloudy, you cannot see it. People need to know the directions at other times of the day as well. Look at this instrument. It is called the compass. You can see that there is a needle which always points to the north. It looks like a watch. Earlier, the sailors used this compass to find out the directions in which they were sailing. If we know one direction, we can find out the others easily. We should know. Compass uses the Earth's magnetic field to find out where you are or in which direction you are moving. If you are facing the north, towards your back is the south, to your right is the east, and to your left is the west. Map and globe. To study the Earth and its different features, we use a map and a globe. Let us read about them. A map is a drawing or representation of the Earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Various features like mountains, rivers, roads, cities, countries, etc. can be shown on a map in detail. A map can be big or small. Big maps that can be hung on the walls are called wall maps. A book containing maps is called an atlas. It contains a lot of information. The top side of a map shows the north. Its bottom shows the south, the right shows the east, and the left shows the west. These directions help us to locate the places on a map. We should know. Google Maps, a web mapping service, helps us to find directions. Look at this world map. It shows the location of continents and the oceans. Maps can be easily folded and carried around. A model of the Earth is called a globe. A globe is used to study the different places on the Earth. It is round and slightly tilted, just like the Earth. Difference between globe and map. Globe. Map. It is a model of the Earth. This is a drawing on a flat surface. All details cannot be seen. Details of the Earth can be seen. Difficult to carry around. Easy to carry. It is not possible to see all the places on a globe at the same time. We have to rotate it to see all the places of the Earth. However, it is also not possible to show every detail of all the places on the globe. It is difficult to carry it around. To show different countries, continents, and water bodies, different colors are used on the globe. For example, the water bodies are indicated with blue color. There are two types of globes, terrestrial and celestial. Terrestrial globes are spherical maps of the world we have just read above. Some terrestrial globes have raised relief features. Celestial globes use the Earth as an imaginary center of the universe to map the stars in spherical form and show notable stars and constellations.